Hello friends, today I will introduce how to make gold from memory adapter micro SD card. Fun! The difficult thing is to collect them in large quantities. Unless you have a cheap source of raw materials or waste. First, separate the gold-colored part from the plastic. Rapid global technological development has led to the rising production of electronic waste that presents both challenges and opportunities in its recycling. In this review, we highlight the value of metal resources in the printed circuit board's memory. SD card adapter micro, mini SD, micro SD commonly found in end-of-life electronics. The differences between primary, or, mining applications and secondary, urban mining, and the variety of metallurgical separations, in particular those that have the potential to selectively and sustainably recover gold from waste. Memory SD card adapter micro, mini SD, is it profitable to recycle gold from electronic devices? Yes, it's profitable. There must be a large enough quantity to pay for chemicals and labor costs. To recycle gold from electronic devices because it makes your outdated electronics so valuable even after they've reached the end of their life cycle. The best part is that extracting these latent valuable assets from recycled electronics. Use nitric acid mixed with clean water to separate the gold plated from the metal. We don't need this method is super easy. Fast facts: Aqua regia. Aqua regia is a corrosive acid mixture made by combining nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. The usual ratio of acids is 3 parts hydrochloric acid to 1 part nitric acid. When mixing the acids, it is important to add the nitric acid to the hydrochloric acid and not the other way around. Aqua regia is used to dissolve gold, platinum, and palladium. The acid mixture is unstable, so it is usually prepared in small amounts and used immediately. Gold purification uses aqua regia acid to dissolve gold, followed by sodium metabisulfite. For gold to precipitate, then take the molten gold sediment, you will get pure gold. I hope you like our videos. Please like and share our videos to cheer. Thank you very much.